Hello, this is my fifth technology tool that I am presenting. I chose that quiz. Although it doesn't have pretty characters and pretty graphics and everything, I think it is very valuable. This, if on the screen, is the login screen. So once you have filled that out, you'll get something that kind of looks like this, and you can log in and passwords. But this page shows you a lot of the different things that you can do with this site. It does cover a lot of upper level um, activities. And with the kids that I have been teaching, we never really got into a lot of these, but as you can see that there are quite a few that are down here that the lower levels can do also. I think this would cover students would be the major um, piece, but it's the teachers that will create these tests. It's not the students. So I guess the majority, the audience is basically the teacher. It does have some aspects that the student will enjoy, or the way it's presented. As you can also see that there is vocabulary in different languages. It's not just math. It has some geography. It has some science. And as we move on, I created a test on here, and the test looks like this, what the kids are going to see. I did one with fractions, like denominators and adding. And then these are what you can set up. When does it expire, what the name, what level, time, all those different things, the number of questions, the test code that you would give the students, instructions that you can do. There's a bunch of different things that you can set up in here. I only got into it pretty much surface. I do believe that it covers a great deal of subjects, in the sense of, in math. I looked at it towards more the math piece. What I did like also about it is you can see all the tests, so you have the whole list. Then it actually will grade it for you. You put in your class, create a new class. It gives you a code. It will grade it when it is done. These are my fake class. It'll give you an average. You can edit the class, so if you need to go back in because somebody has left. There is a mobile app that you can use for parents, and I do believe that this can be very valuable for helping your students, either helping you determine what they know. So prior knowledge. It can also be used as in the middle, after you've taught a few of the lessons, to kind of double check to see if they're getting it. And then it can also be a assessment at the end of a chapter or unit. I do believe that this is a valuable tool, and I look forward to looking deeper into it. Good luck and enjoy.